are on the different location. Roll the intro. We have the new intro by the way. Early adopters, that's what you call the set of people who try the technology before anyone else. That means as soon as it releases. But instead of flooding YouTube like bunch of other only unboxing and reviews and specs videos, I'm going to give you a new perspective on a new technology. So I thought of making a layman review, or you can say a laywoman review. But first, let's unbox this bad boy up. First look of the packaging reminded me of the iPad box. Here's a Mi Band capsule with a bigger OLED display. The thermoplastic elastomer strap with dedicated charging cord and necessary documents with instructions on how to use the Mi Band and warranty card. Unlike the HRX edition, Mi Band 3 has key fitness features like heart rate monitor without altering the battery life of it. This band has a capsule-shaped 0.78-inch OLED display, which is bigger and better than Mi Band 2. It still features the circular menu button, but it is less prominent, making the device more subtle. The strap is 247 long and fits pretty easily on your wrist. Even for someone with a tiny hand like mine, I could still manage to fit it properly while the display took up my wrist completely. Health-focused features on the Mi Band 3 include counting steps, calculating burn calories, and distance walked. It also tracks your sleep and you can set alarms to it. Mi Band 3 showed regular updates on all these categories. There's also an exercise section for your workouts. It also comes with 5 ATM, making it water resistant up to 50 meters. Xiaomi says that you can take the Mi Band 3 for your regular swims. The touchscreen did not face any delay in response underwater. Have you paired your Mi Band?
No,
Not
I
yet.
have, but currently it's not.
Yeah, because it's actually very useful, you can receive the calls and stuff. Not receive, but you can see whose call is coming and you can cut the call. This is introvert's paradise, I
know,
say. We'll add the device. So now our device is Mi Band. Cool, it's searching. My band is in my hand. Oh, that. Nice. Yay! Now you have to tap the band.
It takes a lot of time.
Paired successfully. Yeah, it does. And they tell you how to wear and stuff. Okay, cool. And we'll go back. And we will restore all the stuff because I unpaired because I wanted to show you this. Okay? And set up Bluetooth unlock. Now I'm going to tap the button. Tap it again. It's very easy actually. How long have you been using the band for you?
I have been using the band since 4 days, and the first day was very difficult for me. For a tech illiterate person, it does blow your mind because it does everything for you almost, and you don't have to use your phone, to check how many steps you've taken or the calories that you've burned or sync your workouts. It just does it for you naturally. You're walking, it knows it. You're running, it knows it. You're lifting weights, it knows it. I don't know how. And then
that's cool. I haven't tried that yet.
Yeah, you should try that. Plus it measures the heartbeats during your workout, so you know you're doing the cardio up to the good level. So I think that is nice, and it does track your sleep well and keeps telling you that you're sleeping too late, don't do it. So
yeah, it's like a personal trainer in your hand.
Yeah.
Like on your wrist.
I still have to try, swimming with the band. So I think I'm gonna do that probably next weekend.
Yeah, but I think there are some glitches with swimming because when you put water on it, it's like the touchscreen starts working, and it thinks that you are touching it. So I don't know. Maybe the next software update will work.
But I think the battery life is amazing. I have to say that.
Yeah.
It's 4 days, nothing. I probably had 10% of it is drained in 4 days.
I actually tried it. I've turned on everything like phone unlock feature, calls feature, not notifications yet. I don't want WhatsApp on my band because it's just like you're having your phone and that's like constant distraction. And with that, for 18 days, still 15% battery left. So it's a really amazing battery life. It has really, so that's really good. And the color really doesn't matter much. when
I
it
know.
comes, that's- Because you are going to see the stats on your phone anyway.
Exactly.
In my opinion, the Mi Band 3 is more than satisfactory in terms of performance. It's like the perfect companion for your phone without burning the hole in your pocket.